This adapter successfully converts the Black Widow arm's dedicated lower receivers for functionality with the LIMA SIX belt-fed upper receiver group. The Black Widow arm's lower is set up to work with the MCR and currently newly imported MFR upper receiver groups. These have a standard spacing for the Nutsack magazine in this machine location. In order to use this lower, with the newly released LIMA SIX, the nutsack must be located forward, about 3/4 of an inch or so. The adapter is slid into place in the dovetail, and then the set screw is tightened down in order to fasten it securely. Once installed, a magazine or nutsack can be put into place, and you're ready to go. We've also incorporated a dovetail on the base of this product. If you don't like the spacing that's left over from this conversion, we provide a 3D file that can be printed and put into place in this location. In order to do that, you 3D print your model, remove the adapter, install the 3D printed part in the dovetail, and press it forward. At that point, you can reinstall the adapter into the Black Widow arms lower and tighten it down. This gives the lower a nice finished look, and when incorporated with a nutsack magazine, you can see that ugly gap is now gone. These adapters are now available in shipping. Check it out at inoculumgroup.com.